Oh, hello. Welcome to Let's Celebrate TV. I'll bet you're expecting an episode, basic skills or cocktails. But you know what? It's Christmas Eve, and I've got to get ready for our celebration. You know, speaking of celebrating, I should take a moment to thank you all. We had a phenomenal year this year, and because of all of your support, we're wrapping up season 4, and we'll be bringing you season 5 in just a couple weeks. So here we are getting ready for Christmas Eve, and I've got lots to do. Something's missing, and I can't quite think of what it is.
Meet me at the tree in 1 minute.
Oh, I've been paged. Well, I'm at the tree. Clock is ticking. Wonder where he is.
You cannot have a holiday without champagne. So for Let's Celebrate TV, I'm Phil Gordemer, producer and director.
I'm Peter Lee, your chef and host. We want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Cheers!